don't fight a storm, you stand in it. Felt it long before the sky broke open. Pressure building under skin and bone. The air got heavy, the ground went quiet, like the world knew what was coming. You didn't rush, you didn't warn. You rolled in slow and sure. A shifting front across my chest. I was never built to endure. No sirens, no sign, just a pull of the tide. This love is a force of nature, constant closing in, like standing still while the earth decides where to split my skin. I don't run, I don't resist, I let the current take me. If I'm torn apart by what you are, then I was meant to be. You hit like rain that never stops, not violent, just relentless. Every drop, another truth wearing me down to essence. I build levees out of fear and pride, caught in strength, caught in control, but water always finds a way. I felt the shift, I felt the strain, the moment before the break. This love is a force of nature, it moves without a sound, like fault lines giving up the lie that this was solid ground. I don't pray for calmer skies, I don't ask for relief. I was never meant to outrun what's underneath. They say survive the storm, like it's something you escape. But some storms don't pass, they reshape. No shelter, no shore, no higher ground. I am the land, you bring me down. This love is a force of nature, not wild, not blind, not cruel. It strips me down to bedrock and shows me what is true. When the sky's finally clear and the shaking's done, I won't miss who I was before. I'll stand as what I've become. You didn't destroy me. You changed the climate.